All right, more news coming in. Tirumala Trust has hit out at the erstwhile Jagan government. TTD member says adulteration happened under Jagan Mohan Reddy. Pure ghee under the NDA rule now. Bad quality ghee used under Jagan. TTD member says jail those who spiked the ghee. Even as this matter continues to be investigated by the authorities, the blame game also continues here, with the TTD now saying that, and they've said this in the past as well, that during Jagan Mohan Reddy's time, this is what had happened. The ghee was spiked and adulteration happened because of the former Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy. Under the NDA regime, things have improved to a great deal. Pure ghee is being used for the prasadam at this point in time. The TTD member says jail those who spiked the ghee is what is being said. This is the Tirumala Trust which has gone after Jagan Mohan Reddy, saying that the ghee is now pure under the NDA rule. Bad quality ghee when the NDA was not in power, when Jagan Mohan Reddy was the Chief Minister of the state. Essentially, this is the kind of blame game that we are seeing right now over the controversy of the ghee that was adulterated and was used in the prasadam. More reactions, in fact, from the TTD member who now says that this happened when Jagan Mohan Reddy was the Chief Minister and that it is his fault. Jail those who spiked the ghee. Now the NDA is in power and the ghee is being used in its purest form, is what is being said. Pure ghee under NDA rule. Bad quality ghee used under Jagan. TTD member says jail those who spiked the ghee. Listen in to the TTD member who has made these comments against Jagan Mohan Reddy now.
Nearly 70% वेरिएशन है वो एस वैल्यू वेरिएशन. सो उसमें एनडीडीबी का रिपोर्ट में दे दिया 100% अडल्ट्रेशन इसमें चांसेस है. इसके ऊपर अभी सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने सिट डाला. वो 5 मेंबर्स कमेटी भी उसमें सीबीआई में 2 ऑफिसर्स, हमारा स्टेट में हाई पुलिस ऑफिशियल्स 2 ऑफिसर्स में इसमें टीम उस टीम में कल रात उस टाइम में सप्लाई किया करने उस टाइम में वो एयर डायरी और 3-4 डायरेक्टर्स को कस्टडी में लेने के बाद अभी उसको रिमांड कर दिया हमारे मजिस्ट्रेट तिरुपति में.
All right, and this is a big development in the Tirumala Laddu ghee adulteration case, where the CBI has now arrested 4 individuals in connection with the matter. The 4 were arrested as part of the probe into irregularities in ghee supply for the preparation of Tirumala Laddus. Those arrested include Bipin Jain, Pomal Jain, former directors of Bhole Baba Dairy in Roorkee, Apurva Vinay Kant Chawda, who is the CEO of Vaishnavi Dairy, and Raju Rajashekharan, who is the managing director of AR Dairy. Accused have been sent to 14 days judicial custody. The probe revealed that accused created false documents and seals to manipulate the tender processes. Probe also revealed that fake records were created in ghee procurement from dairies which did not have the capacity to supply the required quantities. The case dates back to the previous government led by Jagan Mohan Reddy, when impure materials were reportedly found in the Laddu Prasadam. Earlier, Supreme Court directed CBI monitored SIT probe into the allegations.
ये सभी उसी डेयरी से संबंधित हैं जिसका मिलावटी घी तिरुपति मंदिर में सप्लाई किया गया था. 3 दिन की लंबी पूछताछ के बाद एसआईटी ने उनको गिरफ्तार किया है. हम इसकी हृदय से प्रशंसा करते हैं और हम कामना करते हैं, उम्मीद करते हैं कि जल्दी जल्दी दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी जनता के सामने आएगा. जो भी इसमें अपराधी पाए जाएं उनको कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई की जाए.
It is very clear that during the regime of Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy between 2019 and 24, holiness and spirituality of Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam was compromised, and the spirituality was deteriorated due to the illegitimate acts of the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam board, which had been carried its operations